Hello, Falcons! Welcome to the Satisfactory Academic Progress Appeal video tutorial. This tutorial will help you understand Satisfactory Academic Progress, known as SAP, how to request and submit your SAP appeal, and connect you to campus resources. It is important to understand SAP requirements to ensure we are meeting them every semester to continue to receive financial aid. There are three components you must meet. You must complete at least 66.67% of units attempted, maintain a 2.0 cumulative GPA, attempt less than 150% of units required for your program or degree. Satisfactory academic progress is evaluated every semester. You must have a completed appeal with supporting documentation submitted for committee review. It is helpful to review your transcripts to understand why you may have not met SAP standards, as you will need this information when requesting your appeal. You will want to log into your e-services and click on your academics tile. Click View Unofficial Transcript, select Report Type, and Submit. Now that you have taken a look at your transcript, it is time to request your appeal. Since we are already logged into our e-services account, click on Tasks. Then select FLC Appeal. Once you click on your FLC SAP Appeal form under your to-do list, select Click Here, and you will be routed to Student Forms, where you will finish the next steps. Log in using your Los Rios sign-on as if you would for e-services. You will select Manage Request, and then select the plus button to add your SAP appeal to your task list. Now you will read through the directions and scroll down to the text box and type in the semester you want to appeal for and what area of SAP standards that you did not meet in your appeal. For example, I'm appealing for fall 2023 because I do not have a 2.0 cumulative GPA. Once you submit your request, you can now fill out your SAP appeal. You will want to click on your SAP appeal task box under Needs Action. Select Fill Out. This is where you will explain the extraneous circumstances on why you did not meet SAP standards for the term you are appealing for. You want to make sure that the demographics page is filled out correctly in case the review committee needs to contact you regarding your appeal. Please read the statement instructions. This will go over potential extraneous circumstances that may have occurred that prevent students from meeting SAP standards. Please note, these may not apply to your situation, and that is okay. When you scroll down after reading the instructions, you will type in your circumstances that occurred during the semester you are appealing for. You want to explain how that situation is improving or what may be different for you to meet SAP standards for future semesters. Please include any resources that you may be utilizing. After you have submitted your written appeal, it is time to submit your supporting documentation. Supporting documentation is required in order to have the review committee do a thorough review of your appeal. On the screen, you will see the listed documentations that are recommended. Remember, you want to submit supporting documentations to support your reasoning in your written appeal. These are just suggestions and examples. If you do not have any supporting documentation, please type out an explanation in detail and clarify that you do not have any supporting documentation. This will be your documentation. Once you have your documentation ready, please select Upload and select the document you want submitted within your appeal. Select Submit to send your written appeal and supporting documentations for review. Great job, Falcons! You submitted your appeal with supporting documentation. In a day or two, check your Message Center tile in e-services to make sure your SAP appeal has been received. It is important to monitor your Message Center regularly for any updates on your appeal. If more information is needed from you, this is where you will be contacted. After your appeal has been submitted, please allow 2 to 4 weeks processing time for your appeal to be reviewed. We have several resources on campus to help you have a smooth semester. Please use the QR code to explore the various resources offered, such as tutoring, computer labs, Career and Transfer Center, our Equity Center, and much more. These services are intended to help you have a successful educational experience at FLC. Thank you for watching our SAP Appeal video tutorial. Please remember, the priority deadline for financial aid applications is March 2nd. If you have any questions regarding your financial aid file, please visit Aspen Hall FL1 for in-person services or contact us by email at financialaid@flc.losrios.edu or by phone at 916-608-6646. You got this, Falcons!